Searching for a job is a hard work, a real hard work. Not only it is hard work, but it is also quite brutal, as in the words of this new tool which is called as EarnBetter. EarnBetter is a free AI job search assistant because not only it is based on generative AI, but the great thing is that it is free. It seems that the creators of this product are well aware that job searches are really brutal. They are hard work, overwhelming, and fraught with rejection. For instance, according to some of the figures given by Unbetter, that average search in the US is approximately 5 months for a job. But again, the difference between a successful and unsuccessful job search can be the difference between being financially secure and financially distressed. Money is not everything, but money is very important in life. And that is where the job or having a job is quite important for everyone. Despite of the fact that job searches are very hard, most job seekers navigate their searches alone. They go to sites, they create resumes in different formats, start searching for jobs, and then most of the people they feel lost while searching the jobs. That is where I believe generative AI could help a lot, and free tools like Unbetter could really make a huge difference. As I mentioned earlier, Unbetter is a free AI job search assistance. They are utilizing generative AI in a style. It is now possible to provide job seekers a lot more support with tools like Unbetter. That is where Unbetter has done it, and they have publicly announced the launch of Unbetter's AI job search assistant. And it will be doing three things. First, it is going to let you create professional resumes. All you need to do is to upload an existing CV, and the AI job search assistant will reformat and rewrite your resume for free in minutes or even seconds. Second thing it does is AI job matches. The AI job search assistant scans through millions of jobs each day to provide you with the top matches based on your profile and preferences. Third thing which Unbetter is doing is customized documents for every application. So what happens is that it customizes a resume or CV and cover letter for each job for free in seconds to stand out to potential employers. In order to get started, all you need to do is to go to this website, which I'll drop the link in video's description, which is simply unbetter.com, and then sign up with your email address. Let's do it. I don't have existing address, so let me give my email address, which is this. Click on get started, and now let me upload my CV here. It is processing my resume as soon as I uploaded it, and it's in the Word format. So there you go. It you can see that it has detected my resume, my first name, last name, and other stuff, and it is also it has detected my state. So it will just walk you through, and you can just simply provide your information. Let me do it quickly. Once you provide it your personal information, it is going to ask what primary job title you're applying for. I'll just say I'm going for cloud engineer and just select it from here and then save and continue. Then it will ask you from your work experience. I have moved forward. And then what is your desired work setting? Let me go with remote and then save and continue. Then I want to do full time, save and continue. And what is your salary expectation? Let's give it a big number. I'll go with 100,000. Yeah, I am cheap cloud engineer. And then you can see that it has started writing the resume and going through various steps. Let's wait for it to finish. So there you go. It has produced my CV in a way, and then it looks quite cool to me in a very terse and summarized way. Really like it. And then from here you can save and continue or download it. Let's click on save and continue. And if you look at the, before I do that, let's look also, if you look at the left hand side, you will see that it has reformatted it. It has tailored resume with keywords, because keywords are very important, especially if the recruiters or companies are searching for your CV online. And then it has produced professionally written action oriented bullet points, which is correct. And then date formatting is also standardized, and also there shouldn't be any grammar or spelling mistakes, which is cool. Okay, now let's save and continue. It is asking you to rate it. I will just say maybe okay. Good. Submit feedback. Okay, now let's see my job matches. And then okay, let's see my job matches. As I said, it has now gone in and searched thousands of job searches for you. One of the thing is that it seems that currently it is only in US. So if you're in Sydney or Australia or any other location, then it might not work at the moment. But I believe that it will be improving soon, or you might see that similar services might pop up in your location, or maybe this is your chance to create your own company or on startup for job searches based on generative AI. Okay, cool. Now let's go to my dashboard. Click on, so if you look at the top left, let me make it a bit bigger. So now if you see at the top left, you will see dashboard, find jobs, my documents. My documents include your CV. So if I go there, you see that your resume is here. So you can have multiple copies of your resumes for different job roles. You can have your cover letter. You can create one. And then thank yous, follow-ups, which are very important for your job searches. And if you don't know how to create it, then you can use one of their templates. For example, if I click on cover letter, then you can just select your CV and it will create a cover letter based on your resume. So let me do it. Let's click on save and continue. I'll just say maybe cloud engineer, or maybe I'll say Microsoft or Google, let's say, just for testing, and save and continue. So as you can see, now it is again creating my cover letter. There you go. So again, my stuff here, and then that's it. So let's click on continue. There you go. And then again, you can see the similar jobs by clicking on it, or you can go to your document. So click on my documents, and now let's check. Go to the dashboard on the top left. There you go. So you have all of the summaries of your recently updated or uploaded documents. And then another cool thing is on the top left, you can see that there is this AI job assistant. You can follow up an application with the help of it. You can write a thank you email to interviewer. And in the bottom section, you have all the curated job matches from different sources. If I just say, okay, thank you email to interviewer, so I'll just say maybe cloud engineer. I'll just select it from here. I'll just say Microsoft, John Doe. I'll just say, and then my favorite part of interview was understanding what I'd be working on. Now you can see it has gone in again in the processing mode and generating a perfect email for you. There you go. Amazing stuff. Very nice, very well sized and quite professionally written. So this is it, guys. I hope that you like it. If you have already been using this product or any similar product, please share them in the comments for all of us. It will be very handy. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.